In this video, we'll review the Proton Mail desktop app in 2026 and answer the big question. Is it finally good enough to replace using Proton Mail in your web browser? For years, many Proton users relied almost entirely on the web version because it offered the full experience, but with the release of the dedicated desktop app, things have changed. The first thing you'll notice is the convenience. Instead of keeping another browser tab open all day, the desktop app gives you a dedicated workspace for your email. It supports desktop notifications, multiple Proton accounts, and a quick access to your inbox without the distractions of a web browser. Performance is another improvement. The app launches quickly, stays responsive even with larger inboxes, and includes the familiar Proton Mail interface. You'll still have access to features like folders, labels, search, keyboard shortcuts, and email organization, so the learning curve is minimal. From a security standpoint, the desktop app offers the same privacy-focused experience as the web version. Your emails remain protected by Proton's encryption, and you can still enable features like two-factor authentication to secure your account. So, should you ditch the browser? If you mainly use Proton Mail throughout your workday, the desktop app provides a cleaner and more focused experience. However, if you only check your email occasionally or frequently switch between different computers, the web version is still as capable and doesn't require installing anything. The good news is that both versions stay synchronized automatically, so you can switch between the desktop app, web browser, and mobile app without missing any emails. And that's how the Proton Mail desktop app performs in 2026 and whether it's finally good enough to ditch the browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.